Yeah, my gangsta gon' hang on my dreadhead. Run a 10-100 like long legs. They ain't talking no money, I'm on that. Move that weight out of the gym like it both flags. You can turn to the party with more way. They put stone in the car and I own that. I don't play with no kids, I'm a grown man. Spend a 20 on 220 Rolex.
Welcome back to a video, y'all. Today I'm proud to show y'all Gears of War 5. Now, of course, it's just a test. To take a look at my settings, I'm going to do a benchmark. I do not run motion clear at all. I can't stand it. Alright, let's go ahead and run the benchmark. There we go. Alright, as you can see, this unit seems to be running it just fine. And I'm pretty sure that was all maxed out. Thanks for coming by watching the video. I will have gameplay uploaded later, probably tomorrow or the day after. Like, subscribe, share, leave down in the comments what else you'd like to see, and some video suggestions. Are y'all here for the workout, the tech, or gaming? Peace out.
Holding no weapons, or pouring no acting, no cap in my rap. I'm a street nigga actor, still sit in the trap. I got hustle compassion.